If you're looking to protect the interior or add some privacy to your 21 and up Ford F-150, then stick around for today's video. We have some new WeatherTech products in that I think you guys will want to see. For today's video, we have the WeatherTech SunShade Full Vehicle Kit. Now this kit is specifically for the 21 and up Ford F-150, and it's not only just a sunshade for the windshield. This is also going to include a sunshade for both side windows, front and rear, and it'll also include a sunshade for the back window as well. These sunshades are a great way to protect your interior from the sun damaging it, and it's also a good way to keep your truck nice and cool. If it's a hot day, you can go ahead and put these up, and when you walk back into your truck, it should be a lot cooler than it normally would without them. Not only is it going to protect the interior, but it's also going to protect your privacy. That way, if you have anything in the vehicle that you don't want others seeing, they won't be able to with these up. Now let's go ahead, jump into the truck, get these installed, and see how they fit. For the first part of the install, I'm going to go ahead and install the windshield sunshade first, and then we'll work our way around the truck. To start off, we're just going to slide it into place here. And then you'll have to move the mirror a little bit to get it to slide under. And then once you're at this point, you're just going to want to start tucking all the corners in. Well, I have to be honest, the front windshield shade fits almost perfect. There's only a couple little gaps, but I do have an easy pass up here, so that'll definitely play a part in that. But other than that, it's completely darked out in here. You can't see in and you can't see out. Now that the windshield shade is installed, I'm going to go ahead and start working on our side windows. One thing I do want to point out, if you're having a hard time trying to figure out which shade goes to which window, they do have a spot on the actual shade that tells you which window it goes to. And it also has a spot showing you which way is up. Last but not least, we have the rear sunshade, so let's go ahead and knock it out. Now these WeatherTech sunshades are very easy to install, but they're also easy to uninstall, and they have a very convenient way to pack them up so they don't take up too much space. Let's show you how it's done. Now that we have the WeatherTech sunshades out of the truck and back on the table, we can roll them up and then put them away. With the windshield sunshade on the bottom, it'll have a Velcro strip that you can simply just wrap around and connect on the other side so everything's put away nicely. As you can see, the WeatherTech sunshade kit fits very well in this Ford F-150, and it also will do a great job of protecting the interior. If you don't own a Ford F-150, don't worry because WeatherTech makes a ton of products for multiple different vehicles. If you're looking for any of their products, you can find them directly on our website by clicking the link down below. It's time to drop a gear and disappear. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the link down in the description below for all your off-road part needs.